Hello and welcome to Greenline Architects YouTube channel. Today we are going to present a design review for 1700 square feet plot area. The dwelling masses out through additive and subtractive volumes, featuring play of layered offset frames which are perceived differently, creating recessed profile for glazing and semi-covered spaces. We aim to create a new climatic screening from vernacular material which resulted in the derived elevation. With a contemporary style look, the elevation is a fusion of simple elements with claddings and large openings surrounding with greenery. The entrance gateway has a car parking space and green entrance front yard with waterfalls mural. The floor caters a multi-purpose hall and a guest bedroom with attached dress and toilet. The residence is planned by exploring the surrounding spaces and modern lifestyle. While entering the main raised structure, a double-heighted formal living area with large glazed openings welcomes us. The active spaces of the house, like living, dining, and the kitchen area with 2 bedrooms, are placed on this floor. The linear living and dining space opens up to the front balcony. Kitchen further opens up to the utility balcony which overlooks the parking area. Two bedrooms with attached dress and toilet overlooks the back courtyard. Interior, however, feel vibrant and voluminous by massing and interior furnishings by adding value and dictating the space. A large central courtyard is created at the back that provides an airy, peaceful, and quiet environment to the surroundings. The folded stairway takes us to the upper floor and complements the overall welcoming outcome. The first floor caters the family lounge, puja space, and 3 bedrooms with attached dress and toilet and a front open balcony. The proportion of opening bring in the required light and ventilation, preventing the harsh sun. 2 bedrooms are placed at the back with attached dress and toilet overlooking the backyard. The decor adequate to the monotony of the spaces. The bedroom at the front and the family lounge is connected to the huge set-out balcony, helping to connect the family with nature and themselves. Front terrace has an open green setout. However, the back terrace has a swimming pool and deck seatings. Throughout this project, we incorporated simple methods to create architectural spaces, use of common materials and color palette of pop-out shades which enhances the beauty of the mass. Comment your views about the project and do like, share and subscribe for more fresh contents.